Welcome to in front of me OPPO Reno5 Lite, and I'll show you how to take a screenshot without buttons on this device. So first you should go to the settings app and scroll down to the convenience tools section. Now just hold here to the gestures and motions, and right now you can see here the two sections. Just to activate these options, tap on the switchers, and this option will give you to take a screenshot with swipe down with your three fingers by this way. And as can you see, when I just now take a screenshot, you can send the screenshot, or also you can manage the screen, and also by touch and hold with your three fingers you can take the screenshot also. And also you can change the size of the screen, the form, for example like this one, and just you can edit the screen, the send them, and for example tap to OK, and right now you can, for example, find your screen here in your photos, and as can you see, we got here our screenshots. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.